Good morning, students. Come to the class 13. Class 13th class, this one. See, in the last class we have discussed allied angle formulas. We have discussed allied angles. And some 4 to 5 examples we have calculated in the previous class. Now, I hope you have calculated. I have given homework to make that allied angle table 2 to 3 times. I have given the homeworks, practice that table. Now, today also we will go for the examples on allied angles. Important examples. If you know these allied angles, you will come to know the next remaining portion of the trigonometry. Before going to the examples, I recall that what you have to remember, some note I have given here. See, note 1. When the angles are in the form of 90 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta, or in terms of radians pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus or minus theta. In these cases, the trigonometric functions are changes. If it is a sine, it becomes a cos. If it is a cos, it becomes a sine, and etc. I note 2 what you have to remember while calculating such an allied angle examples. When the angles are 180 degree plus or minus theta, 360 degree plus or minus theta, in terms of radian pi plus or minus theta, 2 pi plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions are remain same. The trigonometric functions are remain same. That is, if sine, sine only, if cos, cos only, if tan, tan only. And along with that, you need the plus minus sign. That positive sign, negative sign is taken according to this ASTC rule. ASTC rule. Students, while calculating such an allied angles, the examples of the allied angles, you should remind these 3 note 1, note 2, note 3, the important note here. Now let us see the example, students, here. Find the values of the following. Let us will calculate some examples. Find the values of the following. Find the values of the following. That is, let us take some examples. Cos 150 degree, cosecant 240 degree, cosecant 240 degree, cot 225 degree, and sine of 600 degree. Sine of 600 degree. Now let us see the students, in 2 ways you may calculate. You know, in 2 different ways you have to calculate. Either you go for any one of the method here. See the example number 1. Cos 150 degree. Cos 150 degree, I will write 180 minus 30, or you may write 90 plus 60 also. When the angles are 180 minus theta or plus theta, theta is in 30 degree here, acute angle. Converting in terms of standard angles, the trigonometry functions are no changes. If it is a sine, sine, if it is a cos, cos, if it is a tan, tan, it is cos 30 only. Which quadrant 180 minus theta? Second quadrant. Which quadrant 180 minus theta? In the second quadrant 180 minus theta. Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, what are positive? Sine and cosec are positive. This is cos. Is it a positive or negative, student? Negative it is. What is cos 30 degree value? Root 3 by 2. What is the answer? Minus root 3 by 2. Minus of root 3 by 2. So this is the example number 1, student. Example number 1, it is simple, it is very simple. You may calculate 90 plus 60 also. Same type you may calculate, the students here. Come to the second example. Cosecant of 240 degrees. See the students. Cosecant of 240 can be written as, here I will write like that, 270 minus 30 I will take. Or you may take 180 plus 60 also. I have discussed different ways how to calculate in the previous class. But today I will not go for the two ways. I will go for any one of the way. Either you may calculate 180 plus 60 or you may convert to 270 minus 30 also. So it becomes a 240 degree. Now come to the 270 minus theta. It is in the form of 270 minus theta. See 270 minus theta. The trigonometry functions are changes or remain same? Changes. If it is a sine, what you have to write? Cos. If it is a cos, what you have to write? Sine. And like that, etc. So if the remaining functions are same, that the functions are changed by their co-functions. The functions are changed by their co-functions. Cosec changes to, what is the cosec co-function? Sec, cosecant, secant. It becomes theta here, acute angle, converting in terms of 30 degree, secant of 30 degree. 270 minus theta, which quadrant? 270 minus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. It lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, what are positive? Tan and cot are positive. What it is? Cosec. Is it a positive or negative, student? Negative it is. Then this is equal to minus 30, minus as it is. Then what is secant 30? You don't know the secant 30 at the time. Go for the reciprocal, cos 30. What is secant reciprocal? Cos. What is cos 30? Minus root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of this value, 2 by root 3. In a such a way, you have to write their values. You know the some values, standard angle values. Sin 30, cos 30, such a values you should remember it. So this is the second example, student. Now come to the third one. Cot 225 degree. This is equal to cot 225. 180 plus 45, or you may write 270 minus 45 also. You may write 270 minus 45, it becomes a 225. 180 plus 45, it becomes a 225. The thing is that you have to calculate a 225 degree value. The value of 225 degree, it becomes, both are become same. But don't convert like that to 200 plus 25, I have already discussed, not like that. You go through according to the allied angle values only. Then it is no changes. When cot 180 plus theta, 360 plus theta, the trigonometry functions are no changes, same only, it is cot 45 degree. Cot theta, it becomes theta is 45 degree, converting in terms of standard angles, knowing angles. So which quadrant? 180 plus. Which quadrant? 180 plus. Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, what about cot? Tan positive or not? Yes, positive. Tan and cot are positive, it is a cot. What is cot 45 degree? 1. Tan 45 is 1, reciprocal of tan. Cot reciprocal tan, it is 1 value. So therefore, so this is the cot of 225 degree value is 1, it is 20. Cot of 225 degrees value is 1. Very simple. So like that we have to calculate. Now see that fourth one, student, 600 degree. Let us see that 600 degree fourth one. Sine of 600 degree. Let us see, student. Sine 600 degree. Shall I write sine 600 degree like that? 2 times of 360, how much? 720 degree minus of 600, how much? Is it a 120 degree, or I have to take plus or minus? Minus 120 degree. Is it clear, all of you, the student? 2 times of 360 minus 120, because you have to calculate to get a 600. Or you may write it 360 plus 240 also. 2 times of 360 minus, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. 360 minus, which quadrant it is? Fourth quadrant. Is it changes or no? No changes. And these 2 types of angles, plus or minus, the function is no changes. It is only sine only. Here theta is 120 degree. Plus or minus it is here 120 degree. This is angle, it is 120 degree because of 600 degree. You don't know this also 120 degree. Again you have to convert it that 120 degree. Clear the student? Again you have to convert it. So this minus sign as it is. Because of fourth quadrant the sign is negative, only cos is positive, sec is positive, cos and sec are positive, it is sine. The function same, it is sine 120 only. Fourth quadrant it is. Now you should write it again. You know this is a standard angle? No, it is not a standard angle. You don't know this value. Again you have to convert. Once again you have to convert this one. So 90 plus 30. 120 can witness 90 plus 30. This minus as it is. So now tell me, sin 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, 270 plus theta. The function changes are same. The function changes. What type of changes? Sin becomes a cos. It is a sin, cos. Theta is almost now converting in terms of standard angles. It becomes a changes to cos. Which quadrant now you have to see again. Which quadrant? The sign of this one. Which quadrant it is? 90 plus second quadrant. Sine and cosec are positive. It is sine also. So it is positive. This negative sign as it is. So therefore this minus of what is the cos 30 degree value? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is the fourth example, student. Either it may be 600 or it may be 1000, whatever it may be the big angle. You may convert like that 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. You may take n times of rotation. I have told already. You may rotate n times of rotation. Either plus or minus according to that your need. 600 you have to convert like that. You have to convert like that and you have to calculate the students. So this is the fourth example. Sine of 600 degree here. Similar type examples. Let us will calculate the students. Let us see next. Next example, find the values of the following. Find the values of the following. Find the values of the following. First one, sin 765 degree. Sin of 765 degree, cosecant of minus 1410 degree. You may calculate using the allied angle. You may calculate any value. Let us see in terms of radian also. Tan of 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. And fourth one, sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Sine of minus of 11 pi by 3. Let us see these 4 examples. We will calculate these 4 examples. You know very well. You have to convert these angles in terms of standard angles. You have to calculate their values by using the allied angles. Now you have studied the allied angles here. Now let us see one by one. First one, sin 765 degree is equal to, so 765 degree student. So 765 degree means it is 2 times of 360. How much it is? 720 degree. 2 times of 360, 720. How much you want? 65 you want. Either you plus, if excess, you can make minus. If you need, you can add plus. So this is, you may, I have told, so you may take n times of rotations, not only 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, depending upon the given angle, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, depending upon the given angle, you may rotate n types of rotations. Now this is what? Sine of 360 plus theta. You know, when the angles are 90 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions are changes. When the angles are 180 plus or minus theta, 360 degree plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions remain same, sine only it is. What is the angle here? Acute angle 45 degree, sine 45 degree, which quadrant? 360 plus first quadrant. In the first quadrant positive it is. What is the value of sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2. So this is the value of sine of 765 degree. Like that you have to calculate the values. Not only this 765 degree, you may calculate any angle. Let us see the second one, student. Cosecant of minus 1410 degree. So let us see cosecant of minus 1410. See, you know what is cosecant of minus theta? Is it a minus of cosecant theta? Cosecant of minus theta is a minus cosecant theta. Sine of minus theta is a minus of sine theta. Only cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Cos and sec are positives, remaining all are negatives because of negative angle, anti-clockwise direction. So in the fourth quadrant, first you should write that one, minus cosecant of minus theta becomes minus cosecant theta. How much it is? 1410 degree. Now let us calculate minus of as it is. Now see 1410 degree. 1410 degree. 4 times of 360 degree is equal to how much it is? 4 times of 360 degree is equal to, is it 1440 degree? How much you want? 1410 degree. So you are taking 1440. So that accessing, how much is that accessing degree? That should be a standard angle. That is 30 degree. Minus of 30 degree, it becomes 1440. You want to calculate 1410 degree. So you have to subtract from this 30 degree. This you know it. You have to calculating in terms of standard angles. You will get the values. So minus as it is. Now which quadrant it is, student? Cosecant of 360 minus theta. After 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3 rotation, 4th rotation, where it fall? In the 4th quadrant. So in the 4th quadrant, what about cosecant? Negative or positive? Negative it is. Let us minus of. What is the angle here? Acute angle we are converting in terms of acute angle. 30 degree in terms of standard angle. So this minus of minus becomes plus. What is cosecant 30 degree value? Cosecant 30 degree value? 2 it is. So what is the final answer? 2 it is. You may calculate any value here using the allied angles here. You may take n times of rotations, not only 4 times. Here 2 times you have taken in the previous example. Here you have taken 4 times. Not only 1 time, 2 times. You can take n number of rotations. You may take the students. So this is what cosecant of minus 1410 degree. Now next come to the third one. Let us see the third one. How to calculate such an in terms of radians. Now let us see, very simple it is. Tan 19 pi by 3. See tan of 19 pi by 3. See here, pi you remain as it is here, pi you can take. What is the denominator here? Either you can take plus or minus. Either you can take plus or minus. See the students, here I have taken pi and here I have taken whatever this one, whatever the denominator quantity you can take the denominator. Multiply with this 3 pi, 3 into 3 pi, 1, 3 into 1, 3 pi, you can take 2, 6 pi, you want 19 pi, 3, 9 pi, 4, 12 pi, 5, 15 pi, 6, 18 pi. How much you want? 19 pi. So let us here 6 pi plus or minus, plus, here it becomes what? How much it is? 18 pi. How much you want? 19 pi. So plus 19 pi by 3. Is it a 19 pi by 3? Same it is. See how I have should taken here the students here. So either you may take plus or minus. This is the denominator you should take. You can multiply 1 pi, 3 pi, it becomes, you want to multiply 19 pi required here, not possible. You can take, it is 6 pi, it is not possible. 3 pi, it is 9 pi, it becomes 4, you can take 12 pi, it is 5, you can take 15, 5 into 3, 15 it is also not. So near you can take, so 6, 18 it is. 6 pi into 3, 18 pi, how much you want? 19 pi. If you take plus, if you are accessing minus, as similar type, if you are accessing minus, then if you are more, then adding, if required, you can adding here. So how much it becomes here? 18 plus 1 pi, 6 pi, like that you should take. Let us see, this is the one example you will come to know. The next, this is equal to, so 6 pi. 6 pi means what it is? 3 times of rotations. Is it clear all of you? As here taken 4 times of 360, 3 times of rotations, whatever it may be, it is what it is? Tan of pi by 3, first quadrant only. Positive also. All the values are positive. Tan of pi by 3. Yes. What is tan pi by 3 value? Root 3. Tan pi by 3 value is root 3. Let us come to similarly the fourth example also, student. That is also in terms of radian. Now see, fourth one. How to calculate? Sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Negative angle it is. You know, what is sine of minus theta? What is sine of minus theta? Minus of sine theta, I have told. Only cos of minus theta, sec of minus theta are positive. Remaining all the negative sign comes outside. So this you should write minus sine theta. What is their value? 11 pi by 3. What type of, I have told the students here, you write first 3 it is. And here pi, either plus or minus. Multiply with this 3, that denominator 3. So 3 into 1, 3 pi. 3 into 2, 6 pi, you want 11 pi. 3 into 3, 9 pi, you want 11 pi. 3 into 3, 9 pi. 3 into 4, 12 pi. So 3 into 4, it is what? 12 pi. How much you want? 11 pi. How much you want? 11 pi. So it is, how much it becomes? 12. Then excessing, then you can take minus 1 pi. Is it becomes 11 pi by 3? How to write? How to convert this one? Are you getting this, friends? Are you getting in the both the examples? Very simple it is. Let us see how I have taken. First I have taken here 1 pi. First I have taken here, once again I repeat. First I have taken 1 pi here. Then this is whatever the denominator is there. Here I am taking denominator. I have not taken plus and minus. Depending upon that plus and minus, here I am taking. Here multiplying with 1, 3 pi it becomes. You want 11 pi by 3. Multiplying with 2, 6 pi, you want 11 pi, it is not possible. Then 3, how much it is? 9 pi, it is 11 pi you required here. So then 4, it is, you should take nearer to that one. So 12 pi it is. 4 pi into 3, multiplying here, 4 pi into 3, 12 pi. Then after taking LCM, you will multiply only, no? If you are taking the LCM, you will multiply it only. So 12 pi it is. So how much you want? 11 pi. So 12 pi means minus of 1 pi it is. So it becomes 11 pi by 3. So therefore, this is minus as it is. So again it is 4 pi means 2 times of 2 pi. 2 times of 2 pi, 2 rotations which will fall in the minus, it is which fall in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sign is negative. So sine of pi by 3 it becomes. Sine of pi by 3 it becomes. Simplify the answer. Simplify the answer here. This is equal to minus as it is. What is this minus sign? What is sine pi by 3? Root 3 by 2. This minus of minus plus it is plus of root 3 by 2. Like that you have to calculate. Like that you have to calculate the values here, student. Allied angles. Like that you have to calculate the students. So this is about the sign of minus 11 pi by 3. Now let us see some more examples. Find the values of the following. Find the values of the following. Find the values of the following. Now let us see the students. The next example. Let us take one more. Cot of minus 15 pi by 4. Cot of minus 15 pi by 4. Sine of 31 pi by 3, 31 pi by 3, and cos of minus 1710 degree, cos of minus of 1710 degree. Let us see the students. One more you can take, simple example I will take. Tan of 7 pi by 6. Tan of 7 pi by 6. Let us see this one. We will calculate all the 4 examples. Let us see once again. Cot of. What is cot of minus theta? Is it a minus cot theta? Yes. Minus of cot theta. What is your angle? 15 pi by 4. Except cos and sec, remaining are negative. Only cos and sec becomes positive because of anti-clockwise direction. These two functions are positive. Remaining all the functions are negative. You should take that negative sign outside. Now let us see. Minus as it is. How much here? 4 is there in the denominator. You should take pi here. You multiply with 1 pi, 4 pi it is. It is how much you want? 15 pi you want. 2 pi it is 8 pi. Yes. Then it is 3 it is 12 it is. 4 pi 16 pi. You need 15 pi. So 16 here happening. So then what you have to subtract 1 pi here? You will get a 15 pi it is. Is it clear, students here? How should I have taken here? First denominator, whatever it is, 4 is there. Here I am not taken the plus minus sign. Here I have taken pi only. Here multiplied with 1 pi, 4 pi, 1 to 15 pi. Then I have multiplied by 2, it becomes 8 pi. Then I have multiplied by 3, it becomes 12 pi. You should take nearer. You want 15 pi. Then here I have taken 4, 16 pi. It is nearer to 15 pi. So 16 it becomes, you want to subtract. You want to subtract 1 pi. So it becomes 15 pi by 4. Like that you should take the students here. The next, it is equal to minus of, which quadrant it is? 2 times of. 4 pi means what it is? 2 times of 2 pi. 2 times of 360 degree, like that. 2 times of 360 degree. Whatever it may, after one complete rotation, then again it fall in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, what about cot? Positive or negative? Cot is negative. What is the angle here? Pi by 4. That minus of minus plus. Then minus of minus plus. What is cot pi by 4? 1. The value is what it is? 1. Is it clear, students here? You should take here, because of cot of minus theta is a minus cot theta I have taken. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta I have taken. So this is the first example, student. This is the first example. The next, come to the second one here. Sine of 13 pi by 3 it is. Let us see the second example. Second one, sine of 13 pi by 3. Let us see how to take this one here. Find the value of sine of 13 pi by 3. So sine 13 pi by 3 you can take here denominator, you can take pi here, you can multiply it. 1 pi, 3 pi, it is 31 you want here. 1 not possible, 2, 6, 3 no, not possible, 5, 15 it is, 10 it is what it is? 30. How much you want? 31. So take plus. Is it clear, the students, sir? How I have taken here? 10 pi. Take LCM here. It becomes a 31 pi by 3 only. Yes. How to take? Is it clear, all of you? So you can take either plus minus afterwards here. So I have taken first 3. Whatever the denominator is, you should take this denominator here. You have to multiply it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that you have to. You required 31 pi by 3. Like that you have to multiply it. You will get the 10 pi by 3. So whatever it may be. So 5 times rotation it is. 10 pi means 5 times rotation, 5 times of 360, like that. So whatever number of rotations, n number of rotations, you may rotate it. So it becomes what it is, sine pi by 3 only. First quadrant it is, what is sine pi by 3 value? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is the sine 31 pi by 3, student. Now come to the third one. Now see the student, third one. Cos of minus 1710 degree. Minus 1710 degree. Cos of minus theta. Tell me, student, here, is it a plus cos theta or minus cos theta? Yes, plus cos theta. Because cos and sec are positives, remaining are negative. Cos of minus theta is a plus cos theta. The next, 1710. So 5 times of rotation. 5 times of rotation means how much it becomes? 1800 degree. How much you want? 1710 degree. You have to subtract how much it is? 90 degree. 90 degree is a knowing angle. You know, it's standard angle it is. So then which quadrant it is? 5 times. Which quadrant it is? Fall in the exactly on that quadrant line. But you should take minus. Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant again cos positive. What is the angle here? 90 degree. What is cos 90 degree? 0. What is the cos 90 degree? 0 it is. Cos 90 0. Sin 91. Cos 90 0. Like that you should calculate the example, student. The next. Come to the next example. Come to the next one. Fourth one. One more. Tan 7 pi by 6. Tan of 7 pi by 6. Let us see the students. Tan 7 pi by 6. Tan of, what I have told, you should take 6 as it is first. Yes. Pi here, multiply 1. 6 pi, how much you want? 7 pi. Yes, enough it is. Pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus half, pi by 6 it is. Then what is it is? Third quadrant. Pi plus means 180. Pi means 180. Pi plus third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan positive or negative? Positive it is. Tan of pi by 6 only. Tan of pi by 6. What is tan pi by 6? 30 degree. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. What is the 30 degree value? 1 by root 3. Tan of pi by 6. 60 is root 3. 30 is 1 by root 3. So this is the fourth example. Like that you should calculate the students. Now next. Next come to the next type example, student. Let us see. Yes. Now see the next one. Right. Prove that the following. Prove that. First one. Sin square of pi by 6 plus cos square of pi by 3 minus tan square of pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Second one. 2 sin square of pi by 6 plus cosecant square of 7 pi by 6 into cos square of pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Let us see the students these two examples. Let us see these two examples. This is standard angle. Directly substituting standard angle. First one, there is no question of first one. First one, sin square of pi by 6 plus cos square of pi by 3 minus tan square of pi by 4 is equal to minus of 1 by 2. You should prove minus of 1 by 2. Yes. Let us take LHS, proving RHS. LHS is equal to standard angles, directly substituting their values. Cos square of pi by 3 minus tan square of pi by 4. What is sin pi by 6? 30 degree, 1 by 2, square of that one. You know cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree also 1 by 2. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Square of that one. What is tan pi by 4? 1 it is. Tan pi by 4 is 1 is. Yes. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Yes. LHS is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4. So it becomes half. 1/4 plus 1/4 becomes half. Minus of 1 by 1. Half minus half minus of 1. Minus half. Is it your RHS? This is your RHS. This is the first example. This is the first example, student. This is the first example. Now let us come to the second one. Similarly, we will go for the second one. Second one, I think completed the student. It is minus of 1 by 2, standard angle here. Now see this one, second one. Here I am taking directly LHS. 2 times of sin square of pi by 6 plus cosecant square of 7 pi by 6 cos square of pi by 3. So this is of 2 times of sin pi by 6, sin 30 degree, 1 by 2, square of this one, plus. So this is the allied angle here, cosecant square of, see pi by 6 it is. Let us take 6, either plus or minus, you will come to know. You have to take 6, as I have told you, 6 denominator you should take, whatever the denominator. Here you take pi, multiplier 1 pi, only it is 7 pi. 7 pi you need, 6 pi it becomes. So take 1 pi. What is cos of pi by 3? Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, square of that one. Whichever standard angle, here you have substituted directly standard angle, and this is the one allied angle we have converted here. So this is 2 into 1 by 4 plus, then next. So square, don't bother about this square, cube, whatever it may be. First you can take cosecant pi plus, no changes. The functions remain same. Cosecant of pi by 6, it is a standard angle, 30 degree. So which quadrant? Pi plus means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cosecant is negative. Then you can take the power, whatever it may be. 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 it is. 1 by 4. Then simplify. 1 to get cancelled, 1 2 remain here, plus. What is cosecant of pi by 6? It is 30 degree. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. Cosecant 30, it becomes 2. Minus of 2 whole square into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Simplify the student here. This is your LHS is equal to 1 by 2 plus minus 2 square is 4 and into 1 by 4. This 4 and 4 get cancelled. 1 by 2 plus 1. It is how much? It is 3 by 2. This is your RHS. This is your RHS. This is the RHS. Next. Come to the next example, student. 2 more are there, same type. Prove that the following. Prove that the following. Prove that the following. Let us take. Prove that the following. First one. Yes. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6, no square, plus 3 tan square of pi by 6 is equal to 6. Once again I repeat the question, student. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square of pi by 6 is equal to 6. Second one, 2 times of sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 times of cos square of pi by 4 plus 2 times of secant square of pi by 3 is equal to 10. Once again I repeat the question, student. 2 times of sin square 3 pi by 4, second example, plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square of pi by 3 is equal to 10. Let us see one by one here. LHS is equal to cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square of pi by 6 plus 3 tan square of pi by 6. Substitute the values, student, here. Cot, the standard angle here, whatever the standard, cot pi by 6, cot 30 degree, yes, cot 30 degree. You should see the value of, if you don't know the value of cot 30, you see the tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Cot 30 is root 3 square of this one plus cosecant 5 pi by 6. Let us see how to write here. 6 you can take here. For 1 pi, 6 pi, subtract here. Subtract 1 pi it is. Is it a 6 pi minus pi? 5 pi by 6 plus 3 times of tan pi by 6, 1 by root 3, 30 degree, square of that one, square of that one. Root 3 square 3 it is, root 3 square 3 it is, plus what is cosecant pi minus? Is it positive or negative? Positive. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. The functions remain same. Cosecant pi by 6 only. Cosecant of pi by 6 only, positivity, second quadrant. The next, plus of, simplify this one, square is there, 1 by 3 it is, 1 by 3, then 3 as it is. What is cosecant pi by 6? See the sine pi by 6, pi by 6 means 30 degree, sine pi by 6, sine 30, 1 by 2, cosecant pi by 6, 2 it is, reciprocal of this one. Here 1 it is, 3 plus 2 plus 1 it is, how much it becomes? 6. Is it your RHS? This is your RHS, student. This is your RHS. So this is the first one. Let us see the second one. Let us see the second one. Second one, 10 you have to prove. Yes, second one here. I think completed the student. I will go for the second one. Second one, LHS of second one. Second example, 2 sine square of 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square of pi by 4 plus 2 secant square of pi by 3. 2 secant square of pi by 3. All the functions are squares. Let us see the student. Sine square 4 here. Here pi you should take 1 pi, 4 pi minus 3 pi 1. Square, whatever it may be, square, cube, whatever it may be the power. This is a standard 1 by root 2. Square of this one. This is also standard sec pi by 3. You see the value of cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. Sec reciprocal 2 it is. Square of that one. This is equal to 2 into sine pi minus, no changes. Sine only. Which quadrant? Which quadrant, student? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine positivity. Square is there. Square as it is. Plus of 2 into, simplify this one. 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4 it is. 2 into 4 it is. 2 into, what is sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Square of this one. This is 2 to get cancelled here. 1. Then this is 8. Then again it is 2 into 1 by 2 it is. Square of 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. Plus here 1 plus 8. 9 it becomes. Then this 2 to get cancelled here. 1 plus 9. Is it a 10? This is your RHS. This is your RHS. So like that you should calculate the examples. Yes. I hope today's examples you are getting the students here. With this I conclude the today's class. Thank you. Let us continue in the next class. Thank you, student.